game changer topic, which is containerization. Unlike virtual machine that package an entire operating system, container bundles your application and its dependencies into a lightweight and portable unit. They are super efficient because as they run in a isolated process on a shared operating system. On the other hand, as we can recall in our virtualization topic, there was no shared operating system. They had their own individual partitioned operating system. So as it has a shared operating system, it makes it run multiple apps on a less virtual machine. And why should we care about the container? So, and what is the definition of it? So the definition, we can understand containerization is a type of virtualization in which all the components of an application are bundled into a single container image and can be run in isolated user space on the same shared operating system. And containers are lightweight, portable, and highly conducive to automation. So as you can see, it means that it solves the problem of it works on my machine but not on yours. So once the application is inside the container, you can run it anywhere and it will behave the same way any place regardless. So container is a kind of a special box that contains every piece of a software that you need to run, like code, libraries, and settings. So no matter where you place this box, on your computer or a server or in the cloud, the software inside it always works the same. So containers make it easy to move the software around it without ever worrying whether it will work in different environment or not. So as you can see, containerization matters because of its efficiency, portability, and user resource utilization, and isolation via C group, which is a term for some day for us to know. So as we begin with the efficiency and portability, as we already talked about it previously, we can understand that as it is very lightweight and portable, it is very efficient and portable technology. And as we move on to the resource utilization, by sharing the same operating system as a host, the container reduces overhead compared to virtual machine, allowing multiple applications to run on fewer resources. And these contrary things are on the virtualization, but on the other hand, we can see that the isolation via C group plays a important role as it can run independently without affecting each other. So as we move forward, we can let's know about some container orchestration tools. So they are Kubernetes, Docker, and OpenShift. So these are the applications which make it possible for the magic happen. So Docker is a tool that helps you to create and manage containers. It's like a set of instruction for building and packing your containers. On the other hand, Kubernetes is another tool which helps you to manage many containers at once, especially when you have a lot of them running on different machine, and it makes sure containers are always running whenever they are, and they can automatically adjust if there are few or more resources. So containers have completely changed how we develop and scale application, and it has led us to Kubernetes system. So mastering these technologies can help you in your project. So if you are working on a cloud native apps, this kind of developer tools will transform your workflow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech insights. Stay tuned for our deep dive into Docker for the next video.